For $20 and below, I can give it a go. Bars. Bars. Well, hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OUTRE. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her wanted today, okay, because Ken may be coming home and I want to have myself hydrated for this weekend's activities, okay? Now, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, if you are here for an affordable human hair option, just know I'm only hitting on one of those, okay? And that's the affordable. Keep up. This is not a human hair wig today. We are reviewing a very cheap synthetic joint, okay? So if you are only here for human hair wigs, this is not gonna be the video for you. You're not gonna like this, okay? So go ahead and skedaddle, okay? Go ahead and get up out of here. Cause you know, if you stay here and you don't like it and then you give me a dislike, I'm
a bust. Bust out in tears.
Oh my gosh, it runs.
Maybe. But if you want to see what I'm talking about, make sure you stay tuned for the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from OUTRE. It is from their Converti Cap series. This is the unit TEASE does it. I got her in the color DR2 Chocolate Swirl, and this unit does retail around that $20 price point as with all the other Converti Caps. So no need to call Daddy Papa, but you may want to call the sneaky link even though you know he ain't got no money, but you want him to feel like he's still on the roster, just go ahead and ask, okay? This unit does come like all the other ones. So the long comb across the front, 2 combs on the side. You also get the comb on the back with the adjustable drawstring, so you can tighten this unit down to make a ponytail if you want to. I've done that one time. You want to see how I did that, go ahead and check it out down below. But I'm not doing that today because I want an easy breezy, flowy type of look, and I feel like this may just give that to me. Now this unit does not feel as soft as the last one that I did. However, I do feel like it will still give me a look once I, you know, fluff her out. So we're gonna see what she hitting for. Let me put on my wig cap first. Am I sweating? Ooh, let me not. I'm gonna try to style this unit with my twisting. I just have some flat twists in my hair because I'm trying to give my hair a break. So let's see how this works out. I'm not gonna put on a wig grip yet because I'm gonna see if she can fit down without it. Let me take this ring off. This ring is annoying. Let's pop her on the dome. Stretch her out. Okay. This one is longer than the other one that I just did, and y'all can see my roots are black and the unit is actually like a number 2. So it's a dark root number 2 with the chocolate swirl. So we're gonna see if we can blend this in, you know, pretty nicely. It's not too far off, but it's off enough. Hold on, where's my, okay, so I'm gonna put some edge control on my edges. Any edge control that you have will work. If it has alcohol in it, don't use it, but anything else, you know, you should be good to go. Smooth it out, smooth it out. Oh, wait a minute, I wanna bump it out a little bit. Just a little bit from what I have. Can't bump it out too much because I have, you know, the braids or the twist in my hair. Okay, get this like this. I have to bring it forward a little bit. Let me tighten it down and back just so I can make sure it don't go nowhere without my wig grip. Smooth the hair over. This should be fairly easy. Take my glasses off, make sure I can see. Take my glasses off so I can see what I'm doing. Girl, shut up. I meant take my glasses off so I can get around my ears. I don't know what I be thinking about. All right, so now I'm just gonna fluff it out. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Let's put my glasses back on because I cannot see. Let me tease the root of my wig really quick. Like this. Hold up, wait a minute. Take my brush right here because I want it to be really fluffy. So I'm just gonna brush some of the curls out. Because it's a little bit longer than the last one, it's not coming off as thick as I need her to. You're still gonna get her styled up though. Okay, so before I go any further, let me put on some makeup and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get this together. Cause I gotta see the vision, but I gotta get my face together first. You know what I'm saying? I do know what I'm talking about. And before you get down to my comments telling me how I don't need makeup, I can rock the wig without, listen, I know that I like certain wigs with makeup. This one was gonna be the one. Now can I rock it without makeup? Probably. Am I?
Hell no.
This wig is giving me a better look with it being fluffed up. Because I have this part in my hair, I gotta try to finagle that. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my Toppik just to cover my part. Again, that's not a bald spot. This is a part from my cornrow. And I don't feel like taking my hair out because again, I'm lazy. So I'm just gonna fill it in with some Toppik. Look at that, look at that. Yeah, using my Toppik. Fill that right on in, there we go. you're done. Let me also fill in my hairline a little bit. I messed that up. It was more spotty than anything. My bad, my bad. I need to tease the hair at the root. Put a little bit more edge control right there. A little bumpity bump right there. There we go. Fluff up the rest of this hair. Brush it, brush it. Uh-oh, something is poking me. Fluff and fluff and fluff and fluff. Fluff and fluff and fluff and fluff. Fluff this down. I need some lift by my bang. Ow. Let me not break my glasses. Goodness. I may have to cut my bang a little bit. We'll see. We shall see. Well, I'm about to start singing We Shall Overcome. Let me it's time to go. Brush this forward like this. Now, because I'm brushing the hair like this, it probably won't last a long time. Buy a couple. If you don't want to buy another one and you happen to brush your hair out like this, all you gotta do is hit it with some water and some mousse. You'll be back in business, okay? Trust me, I've done it before with my synthetic wig. Don't believe me? I'll link that down below as well. See how I gave this unit more life and more body and thickness, even though it's not as thick as I would like her to be? Yup. All right, I'm not gonna cut the bang because I actually like it a little bit longer. Hold up. I gotta make sure my back is fluffed as well. There we go. I was wondering where she was. Give me some body. Get me body. Okay, listen. Now, is this wig gonna be for everyone? No, it's not. Okay, it's not. You may not even like what I'm doing right now, but guess what? It's for me. Let me do a little something. Get our lips together. Okay, told y'all real quick and easy. Yes, it's called Teazy does it for a reason, okay? Tease up the wig. Yeah, no. Now the curls on this one are more like, they're not Shirley Temples, okay? It's more like a water wave. That's kind of what it's giving me. If I want to do like a little parting space to kind of bring it over to kind of make it look like it's open. Where is my dig on my knot eraser, which is like, you know, my little hair concealer on my little angle brush right here. We're gonna pop it right there in my part. Back to the edge of the cap on the part, and then a little bit onto the cap to elongate that part like that. And then you tap it in like this. There we go with that. I really just want to go ahead and just, I'm not gonna do it. Stop. About to ruin the look, so let me just stop. I'm still going. Hold up. Okay, so this is how we looking. Okay. I know she look a little messy, but that's what gives it the look, I feel like. I hope the back looks good. Obviously, I can't see back there, so I hope so. You can definitely wear this as a full cap if you want to. How she has it on the card with the bang and the headband, or you can wear it behind your hairline. You can do a half up, half down. There are so many options when it comes to Converti caps. She has it in a ponytail right here. That little low ponytail, yeah. I mean, let's try it because, you know, we here anyway. So let's just pull her up into like a little ponytail. See what we can finagle here. Ooh. Just gonna do it one time like that. Pull it out, pull it out. Let me scooch down. Okay, the possibilities are pretty much endless with these wigs. Gotta play around with it a little bit like this. I mean, you know, not bad, not bad. Let me turn around. Do we have any gaps back there? I could even put this up in the ponytail to kind of just have it hanging down. Use a bobby pin because I don't feel like taking the ponytail out. So I'm just gonna bobby pin it and then kind of have it like that. So, you know, we got some options here. We got some options. Now the hair does look a little dry, so I would suggest using the Simply Style light silk spray just to kind of, you know, touch it up a little bit. You know, give it a little shine. Ooh, that smells good. Shining, 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 yeah. Do some things with your wigs. I'm not getting no shedding with this unit. I am getting snags on the end, but again, I fluffed my unit out, so it's gonna do that with my wig. 10 minutes all together for the hairstyle. I mean, longer for the makeup, but for the hairstyle, maybe 10 minutes. So, what do you think? I think I think we did it, y'all. For $20 and below, I can give it a go. Bars. A lot of you guys be asking me about the salt and pepper. It has it. She's even styled like that on the card. So again, this is cute, y'all. I feel like for how I teased it, it gave this unit a lot a lot more body. I like how that's looking. I really do like how that's looking, y'all. Yeah, I can't complain about this one. I was about to, but I put my makeup on and booyah. But y'all tell me down below what you think about this unit. As always, shout out to OUTRE for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put a link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.